Python Django web development can seem overwhelming at first, but they don't have to be. In this course, I'll walk you through it step by step and you'll be building your first web app in minutes. You'll be amazed at how quick and easy it is to create very professional-looking websites, even if you have no programming or web design experience at all. Watch over my shoulder as I build a cool to-do list app step by step right in front of you. You'll follow along and build your own copy. By the time we're finished, you'll have a solid understanding of Django and how to use it to build awesome web apps. The course contains 19 videos, and is just over 5 hours long. Watch the videos at your own pace, and post questions along the way if you get stuck. You don't need any special knowledge or software to take this course, though any experience with HTML or CSS is a plus. You don't even need to know the Python programming language. I'll walk you through everything. Django is a great web development tool and learning has never been this easy. Sign up today and I'll see you on the inside. Who this Python Django web development course is for. 1. This course is aimed towards absolute beginners who want to learn to build websites with Python Django. Anyone wanting to learn to build web apps. What will I learn? 1. Introductory Django. 2. How to build database-driven websites with Django. 3. Download and install Python. 4. Install Django. 5. How to manage URL. 6. How to create views pages. 7. How to use static image files. 8. How to use templates. 9. Basic CSS with Bootstrap 4.1. 10. How to use databases with Django.